Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play retro Brawl Stars. First, you'll need to understand that playing older versions often involves community-run private servers, which are separate from the official game. To get started, you'll typically search for these community projects online. It's crucial to use trusted sources to download any unofficial clients to ensure your device's security. These versions aim to recreate the game as it was during specific periods, offering a nostalgic experience for many players. When you dive into retro Brawl Stars, you'll immediately notice key differences in gameplay. Brawlers might have entirely different abilities, star powers, or even lack gadgets that are standard today. The available game modes and maps will also reflect older designs, providing unique strategic challenges. You'll often find a much simpler user interface and fewer overall features, which can be a refreshing change for those who prefer a less complex experience. It's a trip down memory lane to how the game once felt. Choosing your brawler wisely is essential in retro Brawl Stars, as the balance changes over time mean some characters were much more dominant or less effective in past versions. For instance, a brawler that is strong today might have been quite weak in an older patch, and vice versa. Take some time to understand the specific meta of the retro version you're playing. This will help you adapt your team compositions and individual tactics to best suit the older map designs and the unique brawler kits available at that time. To truly enhance your retro Brawl Stars experience, connecting with the vibrant community is highly recommended. You'll find many dedicated groups on platforms like Discord, Reddit, and various online forums. These communities are fantastic resources for finding other players to team up with, sharing valuable tips and strategies, and staying informed about any new developments or updates to the private servers. Engaging with fellow enthusiasts can significantly deepen your enjoyment and help you fully immerse yourself in the nostalgic charm of older Brawl Stars.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.